Oh my gosh, guys, I got slime. Yo guys, and today on Girl Girl to One Rod, we have got a box. I'm not sure. Let's have a quick look. Do you guys want to see what's in it? The slime. So first thing is this. Oh my god, it's picking up. It's pick up. Let's get on to the next one. So we've got Ghostbusters. I haven't read it. That is like the coolest slime ever. God, it's like the best. It's the best slime ever. I don't know if I'm gonna give it away or something. I don't know. So last but very not least, got this. So let's just put that back in. Oh my god. Good that didn't go in. Oh, it's all over, guys. I'm gonna have to end the video. See ya.